Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well. Today we're in Nagasaki and today's day one. It's pretty hot outside and it's supposed to be raining tonight, so we're gonna try to make it quick and try to see as many things as possible. Today we're going to be on our way to the Nagasaki Bomb Museum. And I think as an American, I think I should go visit the museum and see what the museum is like. We've been to the Hiroshima Museum before, and honestly, it wasn't that great in my opinion, but a lot of people say that they liked it. But also it was being renovated at the time, so we might have missed out on the best part of the museum. So the typhoon's supposed to come tomorrow, and it's supposed to rain all week, so we're gonna try to squeeze as much as possible today and just see how it goes, and then we're gonna be on our way to the museum real soon. So that's our room, and look at this view out here. It's really nice. There's something over there. It's pretty nice out here. I can't believe people live on these hilltops over here. It's pretty crazy. Look at the building over there. Yeah, I feel like the buildings around here are a bit more historical, and it just has a more historical vibe here, even with the old trams and everything. Everything just looks really old. But we're gonna take a bus right now because there isn't really a metro here, right? There's no metro subway system. So you pretty much have to have a car if you're living down here, or taking the tram or the bus. So we're gonna be on our way trying to catch the bus right now. Look at the bus, even the bus looks old. There goes the tram.
Please wait
they have
under
it
the
in
blue
English
information
right now.
sign for the next car. Passengers for Oda Catholic Church and Glover Garden.
That was a little
should take
confusing.
the
So
number
they
5
have a street, and
southbound for
then the
each
streetcar's in the middle, not a
Please
tram, I
wait
guess.
under the green
And it's coming.
information sign for the next car.
I don't know. Atomic Bomb Museum. Atomic Bomb Museum. Atomic Bomb Museum. Woo. Alright, so we're on our way to the Atomic Bomb Museum, but yeah, so we took the tram, and the tram was so small and tight, and it was so slow. And it was really hot. We took the bus first, but we got lost, took the wrong bus, and then got off and then got on the tram. But yeah, I don't think I want to take the tram as long as we're here, so we're gonna try to take the bus as most as possible, but I would probably try to avoid the tram. It seems like there's a lot more buses running here, kind of like Okinawa. Okinawa had a lot of buses running there as well because there's no subway, but at least Okinawa had a monorail, which here they don't have anything like that. So we're gonna try to take the bus next time. We'll try to. It's kind of confusing, but we're almost there. It's only like a 3-minute walk from the tram station. I keep calling it a tram, I guess it's a streetcar. There's a sign right there. Nagasaki Bomb Museum Parking, Peace Hall, Nagasaki Museum of History and Folklore, National Peace Memorial Hall. Check out this cool Chinese restaurant. It's like 5 floors. Alright, we're in the museum. It feels like a museum, smells like a museum. What's this? Whoa, look at this. That's pretty cool. #1 on TripAdvisor. What? It's cool. It kind of just goes in a big spiral. Hello. Alright, so you gotta fill out this paper just in case somebody gets the virus, I guess. Put it in there anonymously. And then I guess you just pay with these vending machines here. 2 people. What's the difference between this? They have English as well.
Normal.
Oh.
Do you have coin?
I do.
Oh, you have 500.
Yeah, but why does it not work?
Just put the money.
Oh. Oh. You're so smart. Alright, there you go. That's pretty easy. There you go.
Did you take the 100 in?
Oh.
This one.
You almost took my change.
It's more beneficial.
Oh, cool. It has a barcode. Alright. I guess this is a video of the bomb with the mushroom cloud. But look at this. Look at how cool this looks. Whoa. It's kind of creepy at the same time. Whoa, they did a really nice job in here. Wow, that's cool. It's kind of eerie though.
厚い雲に覆われ、視界が不良のため投下予定地点と離れた場所で原子爆発には約 11km の距離に達した。
This is the size of the bomb. So this is the fast explosives, slow explosive, and the plutonium in the middle. Just melt together.
This is the food box.
Oh, bento box.
Mm-hmm.
China missile is a little crooked. Alright, so we just finished up going to the museum. I thought it was not bad. It was okay. It's a little bit small, but they use the space that they have, and they had a lot of interesting things. It was a little bit eerie in some parts. Some of the music was pretty eerie. This compared to the Hiroshima one, I don't remember too well the Hiroshima one. I do remember bits and parts of it, and I remember it was really busy, but this place is not busy. And I went to the Hiroshima one before the pandemic, so that was when it was really busy. I don't know what it's like here before the pandemic, but I'm guessing it would be also busy as well. But you know, of course the Hiroshima one was the more major one, so they do have a bigger museum for that over there. So if you're in the area, I mean, if you're in Nagasaki, you probably should want to visit here because you're here anyways. I feel like a lot of tourists don't really come to Nagasaki, and most who do come are probably going to stop by the museum. So you know, it was really cheap. There's also a Peace Park down the street that kind of has like a memorial also for maybe bomb victims and stuff like that, but it's just too hot, so we're gonna try to find some shade somewhere and maybe go to a shopping street right now. So yeah, we're gonna go there right now. I think that's the street. There's the shopping street we're going to. Alright, this street looks pretty promising. This was the hotel that I saw online that we didn't go to. I think this was a little bit more expensive than ours.
You seen that before?
Yeah, this hotel I was looking at it. It was a little bit more expensive, I think.
Is that good inside?
It was okay. Whoa, it looks pretty promising. Look at these weird little benches. Oh, they got a KFC. No, I'm just kidding. Oh.
In Japan, they don't have that much KFC.
I feel like they do have a lot of KFCs.
Let them not have to
Alright.
stand from that.
Alright, we came into a mall because it's just so hot outside. We came here to cool off. Got a Kaldi here. Do we need anything from Kaldi?
No.
I don't know how many floors. I think this is like more of like a women's department store. Small one. Alright, so it goes down there. We just came from there. And then it goes down here. I don't know which way to go. And then this is the main street, I think. He sells some kimonos and yukatas. Oh, he's a Don Quixote. Oh, so it looks so tempting. I don't know. I want to go to the second street. I know if you guys watch my videos that I go to a lot of these second streets, they're secondhand clothes. They have like luxury clothes sometimes or luxury goods. But I want to just see what they have there. Sometimes they might have something good. I completely missed it. It's over here. We're gonna go up here. We got these Travis Scott Jordans for 700 bucks. These for 700 bucks. These also, this is like 350 bucks. They got some shoes here and some watches, some glasses here. Pretty nice. It's pretty small, this one. Got some more shoes here. All second hand. Shirts. They got this champion shirt, 30 bucks, 20 bucks. Got some Supreme shirts, 80 bucks, 60 bucks, 50 bucks. Supreme, 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 Supreme. Alright, we stopped by this drugstore because we need to get some things. So I got some toothbrush, toothpaste, and some floss. Look at all the snacks that they have here. They got these special Kit Kat. Mango, some wheat cookie, orange. I don't know which this one is. Some sort of cheesy one. It's really interesting. I don't know. I feel like they have more and more Kit Kats back home in America. But I don't know which flavors they have. They also have this green tea custard cake. Looks really good. It's basically like a pharmacy plus a grocery shop. Alright, we got some chopsticks now. We need chopsticks. Alright, I found this little street here. Has like a lot of like little boutiques. Seems like a lot of places are closed here. Got some natural soap. That looks pretty good. Oh, that's nice. This puppy. Look at this, it's like a UFO crane game place. They also sell fried chicken outside in the front. Looks crazy. Those guys want some things. I like how they have palm trees out here. It's warm enough. Alright, so my girlfriend broke her nail, so we're gonna get a cheap nail clipper at this 100 yen shop. I don't know this mall, but we're gonna go in here. Got some cheap umbrellas too. I was about to say underwear. Whoa, this place is old. They're so old that they have cigarette vending machines inside. This mall is so old, it smells old. It's crazy. Alright, so this is the place. Looks pretty ancient in here. When I get out of here, you can't find the nail cutters. Let me see. How much was this?
100 yen.
Okay, well,
Japanese style.
yeah, well, because the other one at the other store was like 600 yen. So I guess we found it. Alright, we came on the other side. It doesn't look that interesting on this side, but there's a lot of people walking through here. I felt like this area was more busy than the other street that we were just at. Before we got the clippers, the nail clippers. Look at this pizza chips. I don't know what this is. Oh, is this Takashimaya? Oh. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of new and old on this street and the other street as well. Yeah. Cool, you can like go in here. probably don't want to go in there. Look at this pet store. Ku and Riku. That's a Shiba Inu. About $2,000. These dogs are a lot cheaper than usual. Look at this one. Oh, so cute. It's only $2,000. I mean, because usually these are like $5,000 dogs. This one's only $1,000. This one's $1,000. I think because they're a lot older, but this one's so cute. This one's only $800. This one's $1,000. Maybe. This one. All these dogs are about $1,000. Just like a Shiba Inu. This one's really cute too. Oh.
No.
No? I like it. Oh, they got a greyhound. I like that one too. I like those mini greyhounds. Oh, it's a Shiba. This one's so interesting. This one's cute. I think it's a greyhound, maybe. This one's 1,400. Oh no, 2,000. Oh, those aren't the real prices. I was looking at this price. Hey, what's this price? This is the actual price, actually.
Oh, the gentlemen are expensive.
Yeah, it is really expensive. 3,000. Yeah, you know what? These are. I thought it was this price, but it's actually this price, which is like $1,000 more. Oh, so that dog, the French Bulldog, is about $4,000. I was looking at the wrong price. At least this one's $2,000. Such a funny looking dog. It's interesting. Look at this dog. This one's $2,000. Oh, if you get, so basically this is the price, but if you get some sort of plan, it's like half the price, which I think that's probably the real price, but they try to, maybe they make you feel like you got a good deal, but that's a good price if you could do the payment plan. I like this one. It's like a miniature Doberman. This one's, yeah, this one's really cute too. It's 2,000. Whoa, look at this one.
Is that your style?
No, it's a weird looking dog, but it's cute. It looks serious.
Look at this guy. This dog's so cute.
This guy's serious.
Looks like an old oji-san.
This is cute. That one's $2,000, but half the price if you get the premium. They got a lot of dogs here. This is the most I've seen at a pet shop. No, the Shiba Inu. They got a bunch of Shiba Inus. That's pretty much it. Oh, and the cats. Oh, this one looks so crazy. This one looks really crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap up this video. It's getting a little bit long. I didn't know how to organize these videos. I was just thinking about just doing a really long video and then just cutting everything later, but it looks like it's gonna be time, and I'm gonna go down this street right now, so please look out for that video. Please look out for all the other videos. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I've noticed that if you don't hit the bell notification, that they won't tell you that these videos are uploaded. So if you want to see these videos, please hit the bell notification, I guess. And yeah, look out for future videos. And thank you for watching. See you later. Goodbye.